Hi, you're welcome back to Bam Glam DIY. So today I'll be showing you how to make scoring powder. I'll be sharing the formula with you in case you want to make a bigger batch or a lesser batch. Scoring powder is mostly found in our kitchen. We normally use it to wash our pans, grill pans, our pots. It helps to actually remove those dark or let's say dark coating or cold coating or even grease coating that you can see even in your baking pans. Those that have baking industry can also experience it, and most times this actually gives us issue on how do we go about this. How can I clean this pot so that it can be shining and new? Do you know you can actually make this scoring powder yourself without actually purchasing it from the market? And do you know it's also a good business that if you are already making household cleaning products, you can actually add scoring powder to it and sell at once. So you can see how I use these products that we made in this video, and you can also see how beautiful the outcome is. So stay tuned and keep watching. Sticking behind and not going anywhere. Before we proceed, please just take out 30 seconds of your time to like this video. This will help to grow my channel. Also, subscribe to my channel and share my videos. So firstly, what I added was soda ash. Soda ash is actually also called washing soda. So it's mostly seen in recipes or production or products that has to do with cleaning and washing. It helps to remove grease. It also helps to soften water depending on how you use it. In this recipe, it will help us to wash, remove grease stains, remove dark stains in our pots and all that. And then we are adding a foaming agent, which is LAPSA, sulfonic acid. You have to add the sulfonic acid into your soda ash so that the soda ash can actually neutralize it. The quantity of the foaming agent that I'm using is actually very little. Bear in mind that if you stay in a country where you find it difficult to access something like sulfonic acid foaming agent, you can use other type of foaming agent like SLS rice, the one in the powdered form. It is not a must that you make use of sulfonic acid. And then we are going to go in with the filler. This is just like a filler, just to help to improve the quantity, add up to the quantity and make you make more gain. And I'll be using calcium carbonate as my filler. Some companies do use talcum powder. This talc powder can be cheaper in some areas or some regions or some countries. Calcium carbonate can also be cheaper in some areas. Also, you can replace it with even kaolin clay if it is what you can find. Another substitute is fly ash, and then the most important is sodium bicarbonate. This is your shiner. This is what ensures that after you finish scouring and washing your utensils, your stainless and your porcelain sink, this is what ensures that it gives you a shiny effect. You see most scouring powders right on the body with baking soda, with bicarbonate of soda. They just keep mentioning it on their label so that you know that you don't only wash, you can't get a dull appearance after using their product. After using their product to score your utensils, you will have something that is shiny and very beautiful looking. So that is the work of sodium bicarbonate. So once you are done, try and mix it together. If you want to use your hand, use your hand. Just mix it well together. It's a very cheap production, and then people also sell it at a cheap price. Once you are done, once you are done mixing it together, you can now proceed into adding the rest of the component, salt, and then mix it all together, and then your fragrance. And with that, you're actually done with this production. But take your time in the mixing period. Take your time. Like I said, it's no need to wash your utensils, your stainless steel utensils. You can use it to wash your cast aluminum pots. In fact, generally everything you have in the kitchen now, even if you have some ceramic plates or some plastic plates that you think that it has some stains on it, scrubbing it with your green sponge and your scoring powder can help to remove those debts. Your bathroom sink, your toilet sinks, if you have any debts on those kind of surfaces, you can use scoring powder to remove them. So let's try it out and see how it goes. So what I just did was just typically to pour it behind this pot. I've been saving this pot for this video for a very long time, pending to when I'll shoot a video on scoring powder so that I'll have to use it and experiment it. So you need a green sponge, a scoring sponge. There are different types of scoring sponge out there. Some of them are like metallic in nature. Just any type you feel that is more convenient for you, please make use of it. And then you need to add in a little bit water. Remember that this formula is more superior than other formulas whereby they don't add foaming agent. In some scoring powder, when you buy it, they will now tell you to add your liquid soap to it. But because of the way we made this, we made it in a standard way that it can actually also foam. That way it will be easy for you to wash out. But that doesn't stop you from adding foaming agent extra like your liquid soap when you are washing. So I was actually surprised that it was very easy to go off, because we've been washing the back of this pot for like ages and it doesn't want to actually clear. And just within a few split of seconds and split of minutes, everything was already wiped out. I was actually impressed with the product. So this is something you can do, and then you wash up your pot. So I poured this liquid soap to use and just wash out the pot. So this is the outcome. This is just first try with little push. So if you keep washing, it will keep getting better. I hope you like this video. Please click the subscribe button and like my video. Thank you.